Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. My name is thesis. In today's video we are going to talk about essay writing. Many people struggle with making and writing good essays, but in this video I will help you understand step by step about the ways of writing good essay, and watch the video till the end. I assure you that at the end you will be able to make a good essay writing. So let's get started and move to our topic. Essay writing. We are going to talk about essay writing. First of all, we are going to look at the ways of organizing an essay composition with the clear explanation of each part, because essay has different parts. Let us start. First of all, we need to understand what is an essay. An essay is a structured piece of writing used to present an idea, an argument, or a point of view. A well-organized essay has three parts. It means when you are going to write an essay, you must make sure that it is well organized with these three parts you are going to look down here. The first part of an essay, it is an introduction. Every essay must be started with an introduction. The second part of an essay, it is body, which is made by different paragraphs. And the third part of an essay is the conclusion. It means that when you are going to write an essay, you must make sure that it has these three main parts. Let's continue looking at every part of an essay. The first part, we have seen that is the introduction. Introduction, it is the first paragraph of the essay, whereas introduction shows. The first paragraph of an essay, which is introduction, must introduce the topic. It is in the introduction where you introduce the topic. The second, it grabs the reader's attention. In introduction, it must be organized in the way that will attract, that will capture, that will attract the reader's attention, so that they will be interested to continue reading your essay. The third, it presents the thesis statement. It means in the introduction, it is where the reader will know what the essay is going to talk about. That is the main idea of the essay, the main topic. What are you going to discuss in your essay? That is the introduction. Continuing, the structure of introduction. How is the introduction structured? A hook. Most of the people are not familiar with this word. A hook, that is a sentence to catch. We have seen that the introduction must catch, must attract the reader's attention. That is the hook. That sentence which attract or catch the attention of the reader is a hook. It may be a question, it may be a quote, it may be a fact, or it means that you must say that sentence when main topic you are going to discuss. So let us look at an example of introduction to help you understand it very well. Here it is example. Many people believe that technology has made life easy. This is the hook. Many people believe that introduction has made life easy. It means the reader will now be interested. They will have attention to want to know how technology has made the life easier. With the rise of smartphones, the internet and AI, our world has changed drastically. It means this is the background information. It means you are telling the people that with those technological material, the smartphone, internet and others, because of those things, the world has changed completely, has changed to the highest level. This essay will explore the positive and negative effects of technology on society. This is the thesis statement. This shows the main idea, the key point, the key message of the essay you are going to write. That is the thesis statement. Many people believe that technology has made life easier. This is the hook. With the rise of smartphone, the internet and AI, our world has changed drastically. This is the background information. This essay will explore the positive and negative effects of technology on society. That is the thesis statement. That is the focus of your essay. Let us continue with the second part of an essay, which is the body. Normally, the body is made of different paragraphs, usually two, 3 paragraphs, but it depends on the number of the points you are going to explain. For example, the student who may be in examinations, they may be asked to discuss or to answer the question that needs them to discuss different points. It may be 5, it may be 8. So the body will depend on the essay you are writing or the question you have been asked. So the body paragraph, which is the second part of an essay, these paragraphs, they support the thesis statement with example, facts and arguments. It means it is where you will explain in details different points you are going to discuss in your essay. The structure of the body paragraph. How is the body structured? It must have a topic sentence. State the main idea of the paragraph. To remind you, when you are going, for example, to write 2 or 3 paragraphs, it means you are going to discuss 2 points. Remember that each paragraph must be explaining its own topic. It means 2 topics must not be in the same paragraph. One paragraph must be explaining a separate topic, a main idea different from others. So it means when you are going to explain 5 points, it means you will have 5 paragraphs, because each paragraph must be explaining one main idea. So in the paragraphs, you must have a topic sentence. A topic sentence. Number 2, supporting sentences. These include facts, example, explanation or evidence. When you are explaining your main idea of the paragraph, you need to give different examples to support, to help people understand that main idea. Or you give evidence. It may be evidence, there may be other explanation, there may be example or the facts. That is the supporting sentences. Number 3, it is concluding sentence. It means when you are writing a paragraph which have a topic sentence, supporting sentences, it must have also a concluding sentences that summarize the point and links to the next paragraph. It means you are ending your first paragraph. So to help you understand it very well, let us look at an example of a paragraph. Example: one major advantage of technology is easier communication. Today, people can talk to anyone around the world using mobile apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, or Zoom. This has helped the businesses grow and made families feel more connected. even across long distance. By analyzing this paragraph, let us look at those parts we have been talking about. One major advantage of technology is easier communication. This is the topic sentence of this paragraph. Today, people can talk to anyone around the world using mobile apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, or Zoom. These are supporting sentences. This is giving more information about the topic, that is supporting sentences. This has helped business grow and made families feel more connected even across distances. This is the concluding sentence of this paragraph. Another thing you must not forget when you're writing paragraphs, when organizing your paragraphs in the body, it is using the transition words. Transition words, those are the words that help you to connect the different ideas in different paragraphs of your essay, because your essay must be well organized in an order that will help the reader understand that there is the connection between one paragraph and the other. So you need to use the word like firstly, in addition, however. For example, however, when you are going to talk something which is opposite to what you have been talking about, moreover, not only, but also, in addition. So this word help you, your essay, to move smoothly by connecting one paragraph to another. That help you to connect your ideas clear in good ways. Let us continue with the next paragraph. The third main part of the body of the essay, we have seen that it is the conclusion. So conclusion, this is the final paragraph that restates the thesis, the main idea. In a new way, it summarizes the main points and gives a final thought or recommendation. In the conclusion, that means you summarize in brief, in short words, what you have been discussing. You may give also advice according to the type of essay you have been writing. You may give your point of view. You summarize what you have been talking about. You restate the thesis in another ways. You may give idea or recommend people what they should be doing, what they can do. It depends on the type of the essay you have been writing. So the structure of the conclusion, it restates the main idea. It is summarized key points, but in brief words. You don't need to repeat exact words you have been discussing in the paragraphs, because it can make your conclusion to be big, and the conclusion must be brief. You give a final message or opinion, which can be advice, which can be recommendation of what people should be doing. Let us look at an example. In conclusion, technology has brought many changes to our lives. Because you remember that in the body we have been talking about the way it helps to communicate, and you give other many ideas. While it has improved the communication and access to information, it has also created some challenges. Therefore, we should use technology wisely to enjoy its benefit while avoiding its risk. It means in this conclusion, you see that they summarize what they have been talking about in brief words. They were saying that it has brought many changes. Many people, it changes our life in different ways by helping the people in communication, access to information, and others. But on the other hand, it brought challenges. So you are recommending people, you are giving them the advice to use the technology wise, in good ways, so that they can get the benefit and avoid the risk, and avoid those bad challenges, and avoid those disadvantages. So thank you for watching and learning with us. Remember, to subscribe, you like and you share it to your friends so that we all learn together and help improving our knowledge, our skills, as we know that learning, it is a process that never ends. So we need to equip ourselves with knowledge and information every day so that we cannot be left behind while others are moving forward. Thank you very much.